welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of like a follow me around vlog, not planned. So what happened was I was looking in my purse for some chapstick and I was like, there's my camera, because I couldn't find my camera. And I was like, I think I'm gonna vlog. And I was like, no, you know what? I haven't uploaded on my main channel because originally I wanted to take a break. That was the original plan, but it was like only gonna be a 1 week break that I had planned, but it ended up being longer because both of my kids got really sick. Jade, my daughter, got an eye infection on her last day right before winter break, and then he had it, and so it was just like, and then the last day I wanted to take them out and do something fun because they didn't get a chance to all winter break because how they were sick. So that just explained what happened. Now we are back at the doctor's because Jax, after he had the flu and infection on his eye and stuff, we noticed he can't really hear that well out of one ear. So we are here to find out what's going on. I'm hoping, this is gonna sound gross, but I'm hoping it's just earwax, like just built up. But who knows? It might be an ear infection that just isn't hurting him that much. I don't know. That's why I'm here at the doctor. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I have not had breakfast today because I decided to throw in like kind of what I eat when I'm just not counting points. Today is a day where I'm not gonna count. I'm just gonna eat freely, see how I really eat without counting points or watching what I'm eating. Just didn't have time for breakfast for myself this morning because it was back to getting Jade ready for school. But I did get my coffee. So I have my grande iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha. Almost went all over my Eagle sweatshirt. No, you don't say butthead on the camera, okay? Are you mad? You mad, bro? You trying to take your seatbelt off? You've been trying for like the last 5 minutes, huh?
No.
Yes?
No.
You're gonna make it look like I let you drive like that. I mean, you're gonna make it look like I drive with you like that. No, we've been parked here for a while. Oh, you guys, before I go inside of this appointment, that didn't make sense. Before I go inside, I also wanted to tell you guys something before I forget. Oh my gosh, did I forget? Did I forget? Oh yeah. So on the camera, on this camera that I'm talking to you guys on, I have a lot of videos in here I need to edit. Like I have a fashion video. I have what I ate today videos are like just recipes, and I just didn't get around editing them. So I'm gonna put this one up first, and then after those ones are gonna come along and so forth.
Take a picture of that too.
I'm showing it.
You take a picture of that?
Yeah, I got it. Jax has to go see the ENT because he has fluid behind both ears.
I gotta see it.
Come on. You ENT doctor, another doctor, because you have fluid in your ears. No shots. No shots. It's just checking your ears. It's just checking your ears. No, it won't. Okay, so we are home right now, and I still have not been able to get breakfast. I know this is not good. I encourage breakfast all the time. It's the best thing to do, but this is just like the taking Jay to school, doctor appointment, and then we came home, folded a little bit of laundry when I could have ate, so my fault, but I'm gonna grab a banana right now, and then we're headed to Bath and Body Works because I wanna get some more wall plugs because ours have ran out. And yeah, so I wanted toast with avocado. I'm probably gonna have that for dinner, like a breakfast dinner. So I'm saving my avocado, but I'm gonna have a banana for now to hold me up. And then I do have baggies of like grapes and all that, but I wanna actually sit and enjoy it, not be on the go like eating everything. Banana and Starbucks is what I've got in my system so far. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. So Jax has fluid behind both his ears. So, oh wait, I did tell you guys that. I think Jax needs to have an ENT appointment. So can't tell you guys much except for that. Okay, I almost forgot to show you guys on my lovely Halloween plate. I already ate the other half of my sandwich. It's just a turkey and mustard sandwich with some of this Swiss light cheese spread on it. And that's it. Boring. And then I have a little bag of veggie chips because I've been portion sizing everything. Speaking of organizing, this is what it looked like before, and then with the help from my husband, we just portion sized and separated everything. These are just like the snacks. Those are rice cakes, apple cinnamon rice cakes. They're delicious. I think I made that a 3-point bag. But anyways, moving on, there's cereal bars. Those are for the kids. And little muffins. So yeah, we pretty much just have it all organized now, where the kids are only allowed to pick one when we tell them they could pick a treat. And then also there's some for me. And then I just kind of threw these in here for the kids and myself. I cut up peppers, and then here's pick 2 fruit and veggies. So the kids get to pick 2 with their meal, and then 1 protein. Not the healthiest of proteins, but I'm gonna work on that. Like I said, I'm not watching what I'm eating today. Not really. I mean, I'm not here grabbing like 20 cookies or something, but I'm just kind of, just whatever I feel like having today is what I'm gonna eat. And yeah, so this is my lunch, finally. And then later when I go pick up Jade from school, I'm probably gonna have like celery or carrots or something like that. We'll see. Or an apple. Okay, you guys, so I'm watching cartoons with Jax right now, and then it's gonna be time to pick up Jade soon. So in the meantime, I'm gonna have some watermelons because I'm kind of craving the watermelons right now. Do you want some of my watermelon? Yes, no, maybe. What?
No.
Say no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Jax likes to do a lot of art and craft stuff, and I love that about him. But sometimes he's like, Mama, you want to watch cartoons with me? I'm like, yes. I'll sit on the couch and munch on some fruit and watch cartoons. This one has a packet of tahini, but we are not going to use that. I don't know, I just feel like I love watermelon so much and I don't want to ruin it. So. Your arm's stuck?
Yeah, my hand needs scissors to cut it.
No, I don't need scissors to cut that. You just put your hand in here.
Yeah?
Yeah. See? We were gonna cut that because of you. Hi, child. Sometimes you just need a body shower, and I just got Jade from school and I'm like, you know what? I need a shower. Like, I just feel yucky. I don't know why. I took a shower last night, but I just feel bleh. I'm waiting for the water to get hot because the water's freezing. As soon as I turn on the shower, I put it all the way on the hot and it was cold. Sorry, I have like underwear in my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, nice relaxing one. Jade's home. Larry went to Target to go get some more vitamins for the kids. That's another thing I wanted to show you guys, was what kind of vitamins, since I got time for that water to get hot. This is what was recommended to give our kids. My kids get sick a lot. And it's the Zarbee's Elderberry Immune Support. Has anyone tried this for their kids? Larry and I are even taking them too, and we like them. They look like that little gummies, little sugary gummies they look like. So that's what we're getting, and as you can see, we only have 2 left in there, and it's 2 for each kid daily. I'm gonna take a shower now and then probably take a little nap. We'll see, not a nap, just lay down, chill while Jade's doing homework. When Jade does homework, I always tell her, come in the room. Anytime you have a question, ask me so we could work it out together.
That's about what the YouTubers use.
Yeah, right. I just munched on a little bit of sunflower seeds.
Jade, stop. Stop.
Well, I had seeds then. For my dinner, we're gonna eat something different because Larry is going to make himself some tacos, and I'm not about having beef right now because that whole recall thing, it has me panicking. But what I'm gonna have is half an avocado, egg, toast, and maybe a morning sausage, and just kind of have like a little breakfast thing with some chile. Oh, I ended up washing my hair too, and not my makeup, because I'll do that tonight with a mask. So I'll show you what it looks like after, but yeah, all we've been doing is just, they had their little quick rest time, and now everybody's up and we're all hungry, grumpy. Yeah.
I'm going to carry back.
Morningstar sausage, fried egg, guac extra. What did you make? Wait, turn around, let's show them your pretty bow. Ooh.
These are my presents. They're supposed to be, I don't really know that story that well, but it's, about, some boys or girls, I don't know if there are any girls in there, but they're trying to make a tower, and it was part of the Bible, and they're supposed to go to the tower, so they try and make a tower for a long time, and they reach heaven, and God didn't like that.
Ooh.
Should this be trash? Please don't look that. It's too embarrassing.
You still got some more stuff to do. Move my makeup. I'm going to apply this. Larry, are you gonna want some night cream tonight? He said sure. Okay, so I took off my makeup and oh, I didn't do a good job. Oh. Anyways, apply my night cream. I love this one. Oops. And then I'm going to tuck the kids in, say goodnight, get probably some green tea, watch a little bit of Vanderpump Rules, and then go to sleep. And I'm not going to have dessert, just the tea. So, okay, maybe strawberries, that sounds good. And then brush my teeth. Yep. Alright guys, thanks for following me around today. Nothing too exciting, but hey, wanted to keep it real. Good night.